Alright guys, this Peterbilt came in to get the frame blasted, epoxy primed, and painted. As you can see here, it's pretty rusty. In this clip here, I'm removing the rims and tires to have better access to the frame. I also dropped both fuel tanks to have better access behind those too. In this clip here, I'm doing some blasting. Here's a clip after it was all blasted. In this clip, I'm applying the epoxy primer. Here's a clip after it was all epoxy primed. In this clip, I'm spraying the top coat. I use Imron industrial paint. Here's a clip of the final product. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this, give me a follow. And if you're from the New England area and you need your truck frame cleaned up like this, reach out to me and I'll get back to you.